Hello guys, Farm Kid here today, and I'm going to show you how to start a 2021 TTR 230. Comment down below if I said that right. But I'm going to show you to start it up. First, make sure you have gas, which gas tank on most dirt bikes is right here, I would assume. See, there's gas in there, but it's kind of down below. But you gotta make sure there's gas in there. But first, how to start this specific dirt bike. You see down here, there's a little thing. You press that, red light comes on. Go down here. If it's already warmed up, you just need to press the start button, which is right there. But we had to go down here, pull the choke out today. I don't know, it's about maybe 70-something degrees, South Carolina heat. We're starting, and she should start right up. If you haven't started in a while, I haven't started her in like a week. But now that it is started, you have to, once it gets warmed out, you hear it's really high idle. You don't want it to do that. It'll blow up your engine. So you want to turn it down, basically push it down a little bit here, like that. Here, push like that. Pull a little bit out. Keep on. So you find that sweet spot. Like right there. That's good. That's about how you want it to be. You don't want it to be super hot or super high RPM. Right now it's getting warmer, but let's do a little walk around. So this is the kill switch right here. Kill switch, clutch. You got the tires and stuff. I don't actually know what size they are, but you got a cool sticker. Got the clutch, or no, this is the clutch. This is the brake. Got the brake. This is your rear brake. So see, when I turn this, it does this. Got your exhaust, rear fender, and then you got your chain. You got your sprocket, and then you got up in here. You got the low end. You got your carburetor, air filter up in here. Yeah, y'all know the rest. If you been watching my videos, you know this is the bike I did the cool jump video on. I'm out here today. Beautiful day out. It's dry, South Carolina for you. But yeah, beautiful day. Got a big old oak tree over there. Some random bike. But yeah, after this, city's kind of getting warmed up. We'll see. See if I can take her. But yeah, you gotta let it warm up for a while on these bikes since they're a bigger engine. It's not like you get on a little pit bike. This big bike. Get on here. Go down here again. Press that in. Let's see. It's not warmed up, no. You still gotta let it sit. Sitting here. Good looking bike though. 2021. Nice bike. Beautiful. Beautiful day. I got the sun. Big old barn. This barn's actually 50 years old, believe it or not. It's still standing. Well, it's kind of crappy for 50-year-old, but whatever. Now it is warmed up. And that's all you have to do. So, Farm Kid out. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.